Good morning, everybody. It is 11:39 a.m. Central Standard Time, August 22nd, 2026. So we got the 4.1 in Mexico, New Mexico. Let's go see what asteroid caused it. I gotta get the time real quick. Hold on a second here. Gotta scroll to it. So hold on. There we are. So I need 1019 GMT. So let's go to 1019 GMT. Alright, so let's go right over New Mexico's coordinates. And right above the epicenter coordinates, we're going to see what asteroid caused that 4.1 in New Mexico. So we're looking for either a green or a yellow asteroid. And here we have asteroid 2026 PN9. It's 180 feet in diameter. Screenshot that for the thumbnail for this video. That's it right there, folks. So smash that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment box section if you have any questions. And I will see you guys on the next video. Real quickly, let's just see if there's any new asteroids. And yes, we have 2015 FV344. We do have a new asteroid. Awesome. This asteroid will be affecting the northern hemisphere, Iceland, China, Japan, Washington, Alaska, Canada, Alright, so the 30th, August 30th, 2026, at 18:23 GMT time, I will be expecting to see 2015 FV344 cause its highest magnitude earthquake in the northern hemisphere. So this asteroid will be affecting Iceland for sure. Alright, so let's scan, see if we can find any more asteroids here. That's all of them, you guys. So I'm going to have to put that in the description for a new asteroid, a new high magnitude earthquake calculation warning date for the 30th. Very busy rest of the month we have. Alright, see you guys. Don't forget to share this video with friends, family, and coworkers too. And tap the notification bell so you get notified when I upload and start streaming. Now 2026 PX is still in its magnetic attraction phase. It will be affecting us from now till the 23rd of August. It will be affecting the equator countries and southern hemisphere countries and northern hemisphere countries. Let's just make sure. Yeah, it's going north, so it's gonna eventually affect the northern hemisphere countries. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Eagle out. Oh, if you want to donate, the donation link will be in the description of this video. I run this channel completely from my bicycle. I've been homeless since 2011, so anything helps. I'm waiting to get disability come September, so this is good. I won't have to really worry about trying to get donations and this, that, and the other. So anything helps till September. I'll see you guys on the next video.